Hello everyone, my name is Joseph McCray, and today I will be talking about should college athletes be paid? The debate. This debate is between the NCAA and college athletes. This debate has sparked so many people, and the answer seems simple. These athletes should get paid and should be the ones, since they are the ones playing the sports that bring in the big money, namely men's college basketball and college football players. The pros on why college athletes should be paid. Number one, support the families. With many of the athletes coming from urban, low-class families, they often have to leave school early because of the pressure they have from their family being the main provider of the family at such a young age. Another reason is players stay longer. This would also help players wouldn't have to leave school early due to the pressure of wanting to support their family, and they would be able to pursue their education while taking care of their family back home. This would also increase graduation rates, allowing fans to see their favorite players mature through college and ensure coaches are preparing athletes as much as possible for the next level to prevent injuries. The third reason is it limits corruptions from external influences. Compensating athletes in college will limit the corruption involving agents, boosters, and others. Over the years, we have seen and heard scandals involving players taking money and even point-shaving them to come to their school. Wouldn't paying them small amounts eliminate a lot of these issues? The cons on why I don't think college athletes should be paid. Large amounts of money. Financial irresponsibility. Young players receiving compensation just seems like a disaster. They would not know how to manage their money and wouldn't be anyone there to guide their financial decisions if they were paid large amounts. 19-year-olds and 20-year-olds would most likely paid large amounts to go buy jewelry, shoes, and support their families also, etc. The third one is athletes would never go to class. Let's face it, if you gave these kids money, they would have no incentive to go to class. Many of them don't want to go already, combined with the fact that they will be receiving grades without doing any work. Money will only add to this fact. And last but not least, it would remove athletes' competitive nature and passion for the game. Players will take on a pro mindset, and where they think they're the best, whoever gets paid the most is considered the best, where the only motive of football or whatever sport it is money. They will lose the hunger and passion that we see in college. It will be traded for lazy players and half efforts that we sometimes see from pros. Facts. The NCAA currently produces nearly $11 billion in annual revenue from college sports, more than the estimated total league revenue of both the National Basketball Association and the National Hockey League, also known as the NBA and NHL. The average college football player is worth around $178,000, and the value of a college basketball player is around $375,000. When Heisman winner and college star Johnny Manziel played at Texas A&M, it was said he was worth almost $500,000 during the years 2011 to 2012. College and basketball programs rake in billions of dollars each year through marketing, broadcast contracts, ticket sales, and merchandising. The March Madness basketball tournament alone generates more than $1 billion each year in ad revenues, far more than one of the biggest events in the world, the Super Bowl. The argument. Athletes participating in NCAA or college sports should not be paid. Although they are bringing in large amounts of the money through their performances, they are also getting paid in scholarship money. Along with their scholarship money, the NCAA has passed a rule providing all D1 athletes with unlimited meals and snacks. By supplying these athletes with free meal plans and the stress of money or food is no longer an issue. Therefore, these college athletes are already benefiting more than others college students, so the reward would just be unjust. In all, I think students should be paid small amounts for playing sports in college. Since large universities make so much money off these kids performing and playing for large crowds, and that these stadiums bring in almost billions each year from it, I do agree that students shouldn't be paid large amounts due to having their whole 4 year paid with free meals and housing. Thank you all.